Learning communication. This is part 19 of that same cell biology. Okay, so now we will start to the fourth point of this, mitosis, distributing exact copies of genetic information. So the first point of this, a single nucleus gives rise to two genetically identical nuclei, one for each of the two new daughter cells. Mitosis is a continuous event, but it is a convenient to look at. It's a series of steps. The spindle forms during prophase. Okay, there is a 4 point. I'm just explaining the one by one. First one is a spindle forms during prophase. In the prophase condition, what is occurs? Spindle forms. A prophase chromosomes consist of two chromatids. Chromosomes movements are highly organized and nuclei reform during telophase. Next point is this, cytokinesis, the division of the cytoplasm. Animal cells divide by furrowing of the plasma membrane. Okay, so the animal cells is divided by the furrowing of plasma membrane. And the next is microfilaments of action and the motor protein filaments. Myosin first forming a ring beneath the plasma membrane. There is a ring of plasma membrane. Okay, actin and myosin contact to produce the constrictions, and organelles and other cytoplasmic resources do not need to distribute equally in the daughter cells and cells to assure additionally generation of the organelles are needed. Next point is this, reproduction and sexual and asexual. Okay, so the first thing is that mitosis by repeated cell cycle. Okay, the mitosis process is repeated by cell cycle, can give rise to vast number of identical cells, and the meiosis results in just four progeny, which usually don't further replicates. The cells can be genetically different. Reproduction by mitosis result in genetic consistency. So the asexual reproduction involves the gene generation for a new individual that is essential genetically identical to the parents. Okay, so the asexual reproduction is involves to the generation for the new individual, and this is a very essential for to the parents, identical to the parents, and it involves a cell to cells that were generated by mitosis, and variation of cells is likely due to the mutation or environmental effects. And sexual reproduction involves meiosis is, there is a 2 points of it, two parents each contribute one cell that is genetically different from the parents. In sexual reproduction there is a two parents, male and female, and they both have genetically different, different features, you can say different characters from the parents, and these cells often combine to create diversity among the offspring beyond that attributed to mutations of the environment. Thanks for watching, students. We will meet soon.